Hi, good afternoon. A lot of people have asked how to find the correct aerial connector to insert a band expander. Currently doing one on a Mercedes A180 AMG. I've got the radio out so far, and I'll just show you where the connector is. So on the back of here, you've got multiple different aerial connectors that it possibly could be. So what you do is if you think this is what the aerial connector is, if you unplug it, it will lose radio reception. So I'll just unplug this one. Okay, so the radio is still going. We're tuned in up here to 88.9. So we know this isn't the aerial, the correct one. If we pull this one here out, now we've lost radio reception. So we know this is the correct aerial, and we'll install the band expander into here, and we'll show you how it works. Rightio, we've located the correct aerial connector. We've plugged the band expander into here, wired up the band expander as needed. It's got a 14 megahertz band expander, and we've tuned in some local stations on here like this. All good to go.